this. Come with some more information. We'll take a few comments from you. Maybe you could also be making a few comments as he's printing. Maybe explain to him what exactly is happening.
So right now as we speak, it's printing a gear. I think I have a sample now. So there's a gear, and when you see those light structures around it, those are the support structures that is printing. Yeah.
Do you have a sample of that?
Yes. The beauty of this printer is if you print a circle, it's a perfect circle because it's using the same kind of drivers, and the only difference is the speed. So if you want a circle, it gives you a circle. I'll show you the printer. So here's what it's printing right now.
This one?
Yeah, black. So now I push the bearing inside, and then you have this. So this is a clutch. This is part of the wheelchair. So it prints this stuff, and how accurate are they? Very accurate, because you just need to slide this in clutch. With a clutch, yeah, the wheelchair. So it's any way you put it around, almost can get. That's the beauty of having a
very deep printer.
Yes.
You can explain that. Let me explain what is being printed.
So what it is printing right now, it's a clutch gear for my wheelchair. What you're looking at is a 3-piece clutch system. So this will be driven by a chain, and then this is the shaft that will be driving the wheels. So for this shaft to be engaged or disengaged, it needed a clutch system. So this is why I designed this 3-piece system. So there's a spar gear here, and there are teeth inside. So this slides on the inside. Has to be placed the perfect way for it to slide in, like so, and then it slides all the way in to lock with the other teeth. So when it is not engaged, it moves freely, but when this engages, like so, it has to move with the shaft. So what it is printing right now is this gear.
That's the job on the bend at the moment.
Yes, that's what it is printing right now. This piece here. It takes approximately an hour to print this gear. Yeah. And then you just remove it, put your pieces, and you start testing immediately. The beauty of having a precise printer.
Cut up one first.